How to add custom graphics in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you do your main timeline work. Next, import your custom graphic file by clicking on the media pool, then right click and select import media. Choose your graphic. This can be a PNG, JPEG, or even a transparent background file like PNG for best results. After importing, drag the graphic from the media pool directly onto your timeline, placing it above your video track. This way, the graphic will overlay on top of your footage. Then, select the graphic clip on the timeline. Use the inspector panel on the right side to adjust the size, position, and rotation of your graphic. You can make it bigger or smaller, move it around the screen, or even animate it with keyframes if you want it to move or fade in and out. If your graphic has a background you want to remove or blend, use the Fusion page or apply a composite mode like Screen or Multiply from the inspector to blend it nicely with your video. Finally, preview your timeline to see how the graphic looks in the final video. Make any adjustment to timing or placement to make sure it fits perfectly with your content. And that's it. Now you know how to add custom graphics in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.